Everyone, so I've just got back from Morrisons, so I thought I'd show you a few bits that I picked up food wise for the week, just some extra bits that I needed. So I picked up some cherry tomatoes as just some extra speed to have in some of my meals this week. I also got a pack of cheese strings, just the twisted ones. I think these are the 20 grams and they can be a healthy extra, which I found out yesterday, so I'm going to have those this week if I don't get around to eating any of my cheese in the day. Picked up some apples for a bit of speed. I found these flying sauces. They are going to work out at about 3.5 cents per bag, or 3 cents. I need to check the app, but going off the 20 rule, that's probably what they're going to be. I picked up 2 of the Morrisons SW low fat natural yogurts. These are like 55p for quite a large tub. I'm going to use them in my baked oats because at the moment I'm just using the yogurts that I have in, but I actually quite like those yogurts, so I don't want to waste them in the baked oats. So I just picked up some of that, and I'm going to be putting choc shot in anyways for flavour, so I don't really mind going cheap on that. I also got just some chicken breasts. I'm going to use them for just stuffed chicken and my skewers that I've been making. Some cherries just as extra fruit because I really like them. I also picked up 3 of the Morrisons apple and elderflower waters just as a drink throughout the day because I really like those. Some baked crinklies. These work out at 6 cents. They were on offer for £1, so I just picked them up. I also got some of the Maggi So Tender garlic chicken. These are 1 cent per parchment paper, but I like to do them just as a little bit of flavour. I also just picked up another pack of Fusilli pasta because I was running out. Some roasting parsnips. I've checked the app and it's 3.5 cents per 100 grams, so I probably won't use that as much, just as a backup when I've not got anything else in to have with meals. I didn't realise that they were actually in sunflower oil, so I'm not going to use them a lot. Then I picked up some more pears just for a bit more speed. That's pretty much all I picked up, so that's going to be around £15 I think it was, but that's going to be just some like top up items for the week. I've never actually seen these before, but they're quite big, so they should last me quite a while for my baked oats, but that's going to last me pretty much for the week. Yeah. So for breakfast today I'm just going to have 2 of the smoky paprika chicken hex sausages for ½ cent each, in 2 slices of bread, so I'm just going to have that as a sandwich. Not sure if I'm going to have tomato sauce on it yet with it being smoky paprika. And then on the side, just for a bit of speed, I've put a couple of tomatoes in the oven with the chicken sausages just so that they can roast off a little bit. And then I'm just going to have a little bit of fruit and a yoghurt, so that's going to be my breakfast. So just to show you what I've got 2 slices of wholemeal 400g bread as my healthy extra B choice for the day, with 2 of the sausage like I showed before, then just the tomatoes with the garlic salt on the top, roasted for speed, and then I've also just got an apple on the side for some extra speed. While they were also cooking in the oven, I had some grapes and cherries for just a little snack to stop me going for something sinned, but that's going to be my dinner for 1.5 cents because I've just added like some tomato sauce into it as well, but I'm going to go eat that now. Hi everyone, so for tea tonight I've just made potato slices with a bit of salt and pepper, and then for the speed on the side I've got some carrots and then just extra parsnips as extra vegetables. Then for tea I've just got 5% lean minced beef with parsnips, carrots and peas in it, and then I've used 3 cents worth of gravy granules, the 50% one, but I've only got a third of the mixture, so that's going to be 1 cent, and then just for a drink I've got a can of diet lemonade, so for tea that's going to be 1 cent. So just while I'm watching TV, I'm going to have one of the Hartley's 10-calorie jellies in the raspberry flavour for ½ cent. One of the flying saucer Morrisons bags. These are 3.5 cents for the whole bag. And then to make sure that I have my cheese, I'm just having 2 cheese strings as my healthy A choice. If I have any more sins, I'll let you know. So the last thing that I'm going to eat today is just some of the Aldi Passions Deli popcorn. That is 6 cents. Plus the 1.5 from my breakfast. I also had a hi-fi bar for 3, some flying sauces for 3.5, and a jelly for ½ cent. So that's going to come to 14.5 cents for the day. So I'm going to leave it there and then go to bed after this. So thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. Bye.